name is Chris. Today I'm doing Leetcode problem 2032, 2 out of 3 in JavaScript. This is a pretty easy one. Basically we're given 3 arrays, and what we're doing is we're checking to see, going through each array and checking to see if any of these numbers exist in at least 2 of the arrays. So 1, does that exist in these 2? It doesn't. 1 doesn't exist in these 2. 3 is in that one and that one, so 3, and then 2 is in that one, so 2. That's all you got to do. And you don't want to, then you come here and we check the same thing, but we don't want to put another 3 in there. You just have one of each, right? And if no numbers appear at least 2, you just return that empty array. All right, so let's grab this variable here. Over to CodePen. Oops, I forgot to get rid of this. Variables. And then our function, we'll call it func. As long as the console. All right, we're going to create a variable called result that we are going to return when we're done. Now basically we can just loop through, create 2 for loops. We're going to look through this one, and we're going to loop through this one, and we're going to check to see if any of these numbers exist in either of these. We loop through nums at 1, and then it doesn't exist in the result. If it does, we push that into result. Then we're going to loop through nums at 2 and check to see if either of these numbers exist in nums at 3, and then it doesn't exist in result. If that's the case, we push into result. So we're going to create 2 for loops. So let I equal 0 if I is less than nums 1 dot length I plus plus. We're going to do that again, but for this one we loop through nums 2. We're going to have a lot of the same logic in here. We're just going to do an if statement that says if nums 2 dot includes nums 1 at I, or let's copy this, or nums 3 includes, and then we have to add this condition, and result dot includes nums at I. If that equals false, then we push into result. Nums 1 at I. Nums is not defined. What did I do wrong here? I'm not sure. Hold on, let me try this again. So we'll say if nums2 dot includes nums1 and I, or I know I left the one condition out, but we'll put that in a minute here. Okay, good. So now we need to wrap this in parentheses and put an and statement and say result dot includes nums 1 and I that equals false. All right, there you go. So for this other one, we just need almost the same stuff. We're gonna get rid of this. Get rid of this parentheses. Or wait, no, this parentheses. And then here we gotta change that to num. Oops. 2, 2, and 2. And that's all you gotta do. Let's grab all this code, move over to Leetcode, format the code, and submit it. There you go. Alright, hopefully you found this video enjoyable and helpful. If you did, please give it a like. If you'd like to see more videos like these, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again real soon.